look at the air bubbles. That's awesome.
Look, mine have bubbles.
Yeah, they're air bubbles. Now we're gonna be putting food coloring. Oh.
I'm a hand.
That is such a pretty color. I think I want to make it darker.
It's getting brown. Look, it's getting brown. Brown.
That's purple.
Oh.
Where's my stick? Oh. This looks like more like laundry detergent.
Oh no!
How did I get some in my hand?
How this creepy noise is just Sparky. Just in the bushes.
Do you guys want to meet Sparky? Let me call her. Come here, Sparky. Sparky. Sparkle. Sparkle. Come here.
Let's get brown.
This is my dog, Mimi Sparky. We call her Sparkle.
Let's get
She has spider webs all over. No.
Oh, you see the good.
Okay. I'm doing pink.
I'm getting silver.
I'm doing a dark blue. We're adding this because it'll make it shine like how galaxy actually looks. Fun fact, our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
You know what, I think this will work a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty. Oh gosh. Jeez. Look, mine. It's getting thicker. Whoa, look mine. Look, it's too dark to go swimming. Look mine. Look mine.
Comment down below if you think our slime is gonna really look like galaxy. It is water with baking soda, and I'm pretty sure it's like this.
I'm tired of
Okay, let me help you, Nico.
I think slime ready.
Yeah. So now we can dump them out. Mine's actually starting to come out.
Mine, it's getting too much.
It reminds me of the 4th of July. There's more right here. But there's biscuit. This is our galaxy slime.
And it's still
Do
you guys like our slime? Comment down below if you think our slime was cool.